Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here in Orion and I'll just be filming some local and express trains here for you guys. Most of the trains seen in this video will be local, so yeah, that'll be interesting. Enjoy. On platform 1 we have a class 108, and passing platform 1 there is another express train. There's the class 108. Perfect stop. The class 108 is now departing. On platform 1 we have a train. This train might overshoot. Oh, that was close. And there's an Amtrak that's arriving. This train's a Game Pass train. Well, this was unexpected. That was very unexpected. The train is passing. And judging by the sounds, we have a train arriving on platform 1. Sounds like an AmRail. And we'll be filming about 3 more trains after this one, so it's not too long to go. We have a train, another one. This one was not planned to come. And it's driving... It's driving on the wrong track or the right track? Oh, never mind, it crashed. Unibrow Direct, passing platform 1. Led by a class 37 loco and an Amtrak. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.